Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling essentials: ID, resume, and proof of eligibility. This saves time when an opening appears. Next, create a dedicated email account and sign up on the major government portals. This centralizes notices. Once done, add calendar reminders for typical exam seasons and application deadlines, and enable notifications on your device. Make sure to verify your contact details on each profile so alerts actually reach you. Do this now before moving to notification setup. Now you configure where alerts come from and how you see them. You should enable email and SMS alerts on each government portal, selecting the specific departments and job categories that match your eligibility. Next, create search alerts on major job boards and subscribe to RSS feeds if supported. This catches postings the portals miss. Then, make email filters that tag and sort government notices into a single folder. This reduces clutter. Once this is running, test triggers so you know notifications arrive promptly. Finish by applying promptly. Use your stored profile and prepared templates to submit clean applications fast. You should track every submission in a simple spreadsheet with application ID, deadlines, and exam dates so nothing slips through. Once applications are submitted, monitor your alert folder and calendar daily. If notifications stop, first check spam and device permissions, then re-log into portals and contact support if necessary. Finally, keep backups of confirmations and set a weekly review to ensure the pipeline keeps working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.